Hey folks, this is Rich over at TVP Live with another quick tips tutorial brought to you by Adobe Photoshop Elements Independent Tutorials Group. And let's jump right in. Today we're going to show you how to make a watermark for your photograph, and this is going to be like the type of watermark that's continuous throughout a whole picture. So this might be actually better suited for like an ID badge or something like that you want the watermark to go on. Or if you have a photograph, you just want the watermark throughout the whole piece. So I type my name in black and then in white on one line, and that's so that it's easier, the black's easier to read over white images, as thus the cloud in the background, and the white is easier to read under darker images, the darker blue of the sky. So I'm just going to take my image, my letters here, but I actually want to make image resize canvas a lot bigger so that I have space outside of this picture to be able to turn the watermark at a 45 degree. So I'm going to go to canvas size, and it's at 20 by 11. I'm going to really make it big and go 50 by, I don't know, 40. And this gives me, as I zoom out, a lot of extra room beyond the photograph to work with for my watermark. I'm going to lock the picture down so that it doesn't move. I can't grab it as long as it's locked, and all I'm working with is the actual watermark. I'm going to take my letters in black and white, and I'm going to copy them, and then I will click at the end of that, and I'm just going to sit there and paste, paste, and paste. I'm purposely making it bigger than the actual photograph because when I turn it 45 degrees, you'll lose some of it. So you can see what I did here. Now I'm going to hit return and then paste it again, but before I continue pasting, I want to offset it. So I'm going to go back to the beginning, like say 7 lines or so, and then I'll go to the end of this, paste. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and I'll hit paste, paste. I'm going to click to choose the whole, both lines of text, and hit Control C to copy. Now all I have to do is just hit paste and see what happens. It's already staggered. Paste, 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 paste. And it's really, really that easy. And now I have the basis for my watermark. Why is it so much bigger than the photograph? The reason being is so that when I turn it 45 degrees, I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go to the angle down here and go, and it turns it 45 degrees. So now you have the basis for a watermark. So let's now go to opacity, and now we can just lessen the opacity to whatever you want, almost to 0. And now you got yourself a nice watermark. That's at 9%. Or you can have it all black or all white or any color you want. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Then all you have to do is grab the cropping tool and then recrop your photograph from the top left to the bottom right. I'll hit OK. And there it is. And that's all there is to it for this tutorial. This is Rich calling it quits, saying over and out.